It's Two for Tuesday!
The great Archimedes once said, "Give me a lever and a place to stand, and I'll move the earth."
Archimedes? Didn't you go to school with him?
School? Oh, I get it, yeah. Yeah, I went to school with Archimedes, sure. Yeah, only we called him Archie then, yeah. And later when he graduated, he had these two sons, Peyton and Eli Medes, and they went into mechanical engineering. There's a third son, Cooper, but he wasn't so good at mechanical engineering, so he went into lighting instead.
That's a joke, right?
Oh, good Lord, I hope so. If not, well, what's not a joke are these really nifty orange levers that you see cropping up everywhere.
You mean like this?
Absolutely. Our famous 221 splicing connectors.
Or this?
Our soon-to-be famous 221 inline connector.
And of course these. These are the 832 MCS Maxi pluggables.
Yep, you got it. Click, 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 done. Just like the video.
And they're even on our terminal blocks.
Top Job S rail mount terminal blocks. Field wireable for installation convenience. And darned reliable too.
You can also find them on our Eco 2 power supplies.
IoT friendly, highly communicative products with simplicity designed into every connection. Yes, indeed.
And what about this? I found this in a kit in a drawer. It has an orange lever too. Kind of looks like a bottle opener.
That it is, lad, that it is. You know, bottles need actuation too.
Oh, I know.
Like most things that require a circular motion to close or open, it's so hard on the hands to twist and twist and twist, and it's even harder on the wrists through all of those repeated efforts.
Carpal tunnel? Yeah, don't want that.
So you're much better off using a handy-dandy lever to make life easier for you all the way around.
You don't have to convince me. I'm in.
I thought you might be. Which is another fine reason why levers,
and darn near everything else, makes for a refreshing
Two for Tuesday. Discover more about our lever products at the link in the text above.
And while you're there, simply fill out the form to get a free sample of the Wago LEVER-LUTION in action, plus one of these really, really effective bottle openers. Happy Tuesday.